Latest with our severe weather for tonight. Tornado watch until 11 o'clock for all of us in central Oklahoma. Our tornado index, it is at a 4 on a 1 to 10 scale from Stillwater, El Reno, Chickasha, south and east. That's an elevated threat. There is a chance for a strong tornado early on in storm development before we begin to watch these storms turn into more of a brief spin up along a leading edge of a squall line developing. Pretty large hail up to the size of baseballs and some real strong winds up to around 80 miles per hour just south of the metro with these storms as they move in tonight. So we're watching these cells here closely by 6 o'clock. Watonga, El Reno, up by Buffalo, Chickasha down by Lawton. Scatter storms running from Enid to Guthrie down to Chickasha by 7 o'clock. By 8 o'clock, storms coming to I-35 and then really ramping up their winds as we go towards 8 and 9 o'clock and then beginning to move east by 11 o'clock here. And that right there will pull the threat for severe weather out of here. So closer inspection by 7 o'clock, storms from Edmond to Piedmont, down by Chickasha, by Norman, Blanchard, and Goldsby, and then north of Edmond by Guthrie by 8 and 9 o'clock. And then these storms still out there by 9 and 10 o'clock, and then moving towards Shawnee, Bethel, Acres, Prague, Meeker, and Seminole by 10 and 11 o'clock. Our crews are out. We're watching it closely here on KOCO 5 News.